You gotta love winter time in Canada, eh? Woo, she's got some power! What kind of video would this be without a little bit of roosting? If this doesn't show video commitment, I don't know what does. This is how I make my tripods. That's literally how I make almost all my tripods around here. All for you guys. Alright guys, well I'm back behind my house. There's a little creek behind my house. I'm just going to check. In the spring I left a minnow trap back here. I'm going to see if it's still here. I'm not sure I'm going to put this bike because there's no kickstand on it. So let's do the old-fashioned kickstand. Well, apparently the ground's way too hard to do that. That's as far as I could get it in. I don't know, normally it just digs right down in, so we got a corn stalk holding this up now. Let's go down to the creek and see if my trap's still here from the spring. Oh shit, it got pushed in. That's not good. Hope nothing died. How am I supposed to get it without falling? Oh fuck, I don't want my coat to get old. Oh, there's a couple fish in there. See that? Nothing dead. Thank God. Let everything go. No, that's not everything. Ew. What's, oh, that's a minnow. Little minnow. Sorry, buddy. Little minnow, eh? Not moving too quick, are you? She's pretty cold. Try to get all you guys back in the water here. There we go. Come on. Yeah. See, I had it sitting up in there, which I thought it was safe, but the water must have come and washed it away here. Oh, that's my glove. Nice. Sorry, buddy. See, there's one in there. Nothing in that piece. That's good. I think I seen one here. Oh, nice, eh? That feels good. Any more fishies back here? Uh-oh, I'm gonna go in the drink. Let's wash this out a little better. That's better. So we got our other half here. Wash this side out. Yeah, good enough for now. Put you two. Wasn't there a rope? Was there not a rope on this? On the others. I'm gonna fall. I got a broken foot. I'm handicapped back here. Come on, baby. There's that. I don't know. Throw this over there. But yeah, that's a little stream behind my house. I swear there's one more little fish. Don't you want to be on my movie, little guy? Look at that, it goes all the way up the bank. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's going, I don't know. I don't remember what I did here, but I've created a clusterfuck for me without falling. Don't you just love when you get those on you? Thanks for connecting my gloves, Mother Nature. Don't know what we're doing with this. I guess for now. Perfect. No, it's not. I was hoping to get it right here. Stay. Just get back up this. Did I forget? What did I forget before I... Just the rope. I'll get that later too. Let's go back up to the bike here. Yellow banana looking piece of shit. Still standing. Yeah, let's get you back to the house. Come on, all you guys do it too. Well, thanks for coming along for another ride, guys. Really appreciate the views and all the feedback you guys are giving me. Like, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.